Health alert tonight out of Durham County. The health department wants you to know about a possible case of measles at a Durham coffee shop. Thank you for joining us this evening. I'm Maggie Newland. Officials say the exposure may have happened at Bean Traders coffee shop off Highway 54. CBS 17's Zach Dahlheimer's live in Durham outside that coffee shop. And Zach, while there are no confirmed measles cases in North Carolina at this time, health officials do have important information for anyone who came by that shop on Monday.
Yeah, that's right, Maggie. And they tell us a possible case may have been infectious here at the coffee shop behind me this past Monday between 10 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. Now, we still don't know specifics about this possible case, including how the department was notified about this. And while they say there's no ongoing risk for people who stopped by or want to visit Bean Traders outside of that time period, this is out of an abundance of caution.
We don't want measles hanging around.
This is the first time Steve Quessy is hearing about a possible measles case at Bean Traders in Durham, a coffee shop he often visits.
It can be pretty serious.
The illness is highly contagious, spread through coughing, sneezing, and contact with secretions from the nose, mouth, and throat of a person who's infected. Quessy remembers getting measles as a young boy.
You just felt miserable. It's like having the flu.
Saturday, the coffee shop posted a statement on social media saying, in part, "We are sad to have this take place in our shop. We are diligent with our own employee health policies to keep our public safe." The shop added they were never contacted by anyone about this until Saturday, and they would have alerted their customers to look for symptoms.
We were notified of a possible case yesterday. The investigation continued to today, and we notified Bean Traders as soon as we were aware of that information.
If this turns into a confirmed case, should we expect additional cases throughout the triangle?
Well, that's always an important question. In public health, we do everything we can to prevent that from happening.
Dr. Arlene Senya with the county's public health department says they're seeing an outbreak across the U.S. with measles, which typically is a rare infection.
There are some individuals who have not been fully immunized. For example, children, infants less than 12 years of age.
Which is why she believes vaccinations are key.
If they're fully immunized, that means that they have a history of having 2 measles, mumps, rubella vaccination, that they have 97% protection against measles.
For Quessy, he hopes people heed this advice. Now, Maggie, I talked with health officials about an hour ago last, and they told me there's only one reported possible case in Durham with 2 potential areas of exposure in the community. They say based on the date of exposure, you should pay attention for any symptoms up until July 1st. These include a rash, runny nose, cough, red watery eyes, and a fever greater than 101 degrees. Again, we want to remind you there are no confirmed measles cases in North Carolina at this time. Now, health officials say if you haven't been vaccinated against measles, have an impaired immune system, or pregnant and were here at Bean Traders during that time frame this past Monday, to call the Durham County Public Health Department. You can find that number right now by going to our website, CBS17.com. Live in Durham, Zach Dahlheimer, CBS 17 News.
All right, Zach, and the CDC reports there have been more than 1,000 confirmed cases of measles in 28 states so far this year, including our neighboring states of Virginia, Tennessee, and Georgia.